Hi there, I'm Amol Shinde. Welcome to my channel. These are 7th class NCERT questions which I picked from Brunel.org. So let's start these questions. Tripartite struggle was for what and by whom? नॉर्थ इंडिया पे कंट्रोल करने के लिए ये स्ट्रगल हुआ था और जिसमें कनौज पे अटैक किया गया था. ओके, इट इज़ बिटवीन द गुर्जरा, प्रतिहारा, राष्ट्रकूटा एंड पाला. विच आर करेक्ट? दिल्ली बिकम एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटी ओनली इन द 12th century. 12th century में ही सिर्फ दिल्ली इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटी थी. दिल्ली फर्स्ट बिकम द कैपिटल ऑफ किंगडम अंडर द तोमारा राजपूत. ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम तोमारा राजपूत के अंदर एक कैपिटल था किंगडम का. अंडर द तोमाराज एंड चौहानाज दिल्ली बिकम एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कमर्शियल सेंटर. ओके, so all are correct here. So 1, 2 and 3. Next one, assertion and reason. Aurangzeb succeeded his father Shah Jahan. So Aurangzeb succeeded his father Shah Jahan to the throne. This statement is correct or not? The next one, Mughal did believe in the rule of primogeniture and rejected the custom of coparcenary. Okay, inheritance. So answer is here this one, C. A is correct but R is not, because they did not believe in the rule of primogeniture. Next one, the Khajuraho complex. Khajuraho complex के बारे में 3 statements हैं यहाँ पे. Were built during the Chandela dynasty. Chandela dynasty में build हुए थे, correct है. The king Dhangadeva constructed the Kendriya Mahadev temple. Dhangadeva, Kendriya Mahadev temple. Okay, then belong to 2 different religions, Hinduism and Jainism. Khajuraho, Hinduism and Jainism. So both, all 3 are correct here. These all 3. The next one, which of the following? The Ahoms, the Gonds, the Banjaras, the Bhils. And the Ahoms is known for, it's known for made high quality gunpowder and cannons. So Aho gun cannon, this is a mnemonic. The next one, the Gonds practice shifting cultivation, so go do shifting like that. Okay, so it's go shift. Banjaras, most important traders, nomads. Okay, most important traders, nomads. Then Bhils, these are hunter gatherers. So Bhils, this for H for hunter gatherers. Okay, so next one, which are true? Nayanars, saint devoted to Shiva, and Alvars, saint devoted to Vishnu, who came from all castes including considered untouchables. Nayanars and Alvars were sharply critical of the Buddhist and Jainas. ये क्रिटिकल थे बुद्धिस्ट और जैनास के. तो कौन कौन सा करेक्ट है इसमें से? सो शिवा इज अ थर्ड आई एंड नयनार्स, दैट इज वी कॉल इट नयन. कंसिडर दिस निमोनिक्स. शिव, our Shiva has a third eye, that is Nayan. Then Alvars is a Vishnu, saints devoted to Vishnu. Then they are critical of the Buddhist and Jainas. Both are true, so C is the answer. Next one, Virashaivism. Virashaivism, which of the following is not true about Virashaivism? So here is the answer, that movement initiated by Basavana. Basavana ने ये movement initiate किया था, and his companions like Allama Prabhu and Akka Mahadevi. Allama Prabhu और अक्का महादेवी जो थे ये उनके साथी थे उसमें. सो ये करेक्ट है. They encouraged all forms of rituals and idol worship. No, they were against the all forms of the rituals and idol worship. So this will be the answer, because it asked me which is not true. Okay, and they argued strongly for equality of the human beings. Definitely they argued strongly for the equality of human beings. So अगर देखा जाए तो सही वाले ये है और गलत वाला ये है, बी वाला. ठीक है, सो बी इज द आंसर हियर, बिकॉज दे आर अगेंस्ट all forms of rituals and idol worship, and it asked which of the following is not true. The next one, consider the following statements. All those who conquered Orissa, such as Mughals, Marathas, East India Company, attempted to gain control over the Puri temple. पुरी टेम्पल के ऊपर कंट्रोल करना चाहते थे सभी. रीज़न था कि इन ओडिशा कंट्रोल ओवर द पुरी टेम्पल पे कंट्रोल मतलब क्या होता है कि लेजिटिमेसी टू द रूलर्स ओवर द लोकल पीपल. ओके, A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation for the A. This is the answer. Next one, consider the following statements. Mughal Empire started facing a variety of crises toward the closing of the year of the 17th century. पता है कि 17th century में अपने औरंगज़ेब चले गए थे, सो उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम आई थी. सो करेक्ट है ये स्टेटमेंट. एम्परर औरंगज़ेब हैड डिप्लीटेड द मिलिट्री एंड फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज ऑफ हिज एम्पायर बाय फाइटिंग अ लॉन्ग वॉर विद द डेक्कन, वॉर इन द डेक्कन. ओके, डेक्कन में जो वॉर हुआ था उसके लिए फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज बहुत कम हो गए थे उसकी वजह से. सो दैट कैन बी द आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन, इट बिकम्स इंक्रीजिंगली डिफिकल्ट फॉर the later Mughal emperors to keep a check on the powerful मनसबदार्स. सो पढ़ा होगा तो मनसबदार्स पे चेक करना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था. सो तीनों करेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट 1, 2, 3 आर करेक्ट, एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 and 3 बोथ आर द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट ए. सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट ए? मुगल एम्पायर स्टार्टेड फेसिंग द वैरायटी ऑफ क्राइसिस टूवर्ड्स द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द ईयर ऑफ द 17th century, क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज जो है वो कम हो गए थे बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉन्ग वॉर विद द डेक्कन इन द डेक्कन. द नेक्स्ट वन, statement 3, it becomes increasingly difficult for the later Mughals emperors to keep check on the powerful मनसबदार्स. मनसबदार ज़्यादा पावरफुल हो गए थे, इसके लिए उनके ऊपर चेक ऑन रखना पॉसिबल नहीं था. सो दिस कॉजेज टू क्राइसिस. द नेक्स्ट वन, बुरहान उल मुल्क सादत खान founded the state which was one of the most important to emerge out of the breakup of the Mughal Empire. So Awadh. Burhan ul Mulk Sadat Khan founded the state which one of the most important to emerge out of the breakup of the Mughal Empire, that is Awadh. Next one, digestion is a complex process involving which is a correct sequence. Digestion में क्या क्या होता है? सबसे पहले ingestion होता है, then digest होता है, then absorption होता है, then assimilation होता है, then egestion होता है. So here adab AE, okay, this is mnemonics. I that is ingestion, D is digestion, AB is absorption, A is assimilation, and E is egestion again. So adab AE. Next one, some Indian breeds of sheep, identify which is not matched. The name of the breed, quality of the wool, and state where it found. Okay, so here लोही मिलता है राजस्थान में, करेक्ट है. सो लल्ला लोरी, दैट इज व्हाट लोही राजस्थान. ओके, र फॉर राजस्थान हियर एंड लो फॉर लोही. द नेक्स्ट, नाली इज अ कारपेट वूल, हरियाणा में मिलता है. सो कंसिडर करते हैं निकाह, एन फॉर नाली, सी फॉर कारपेट वूल, and H for Haryana. Okay, Nikah. Bakarwal woolen shawl, then Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the correct one. So this is not correct, so that's why this B is the answer. Bakarwal woolen shawls and Jammu and Kashmir, important one. Then what are the precautions to be observed while reading the clinical thermometer? क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर जब रीड करते हैं तो प्रिकॉशंस क्या क्या लेनी चाहिए? थर्मामीटर शुड बी वॉश्ड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर यूज, प्रेफरेबली विद द एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन. इंश्योर दैट बिफोर यूज द मर्क्यूरी लेवल शुड बी 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस, करेक्ट वन. एंड होल्ड द थर्मामीटर बाय द बल्ब वाइल रीडिंग इट. नो, डोंट होल्ड द थर्मामीटर बाय द बल्ब while reading it. Okay, so this is wrong. So here A and B is correct, 1 and 2. Next one, match the following. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. I matched already. Okay, calcium hydroxide, lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, window cleaner. Potassium hydroxide, that is soap. Consider anytime pH. The potassium hydroxide when you see any soap. potassium hydroxide. Then ammonium hydroxide. When you see any bottle, consider window cleaner bottle and its ammonium hydroxide is there. Magnesium hydroxide like milk of magnesia. Okay, this is not important, so C is the answer here. Next one, which of the following statements are correct about the ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट? ओके, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट जहाँ पे बहुत ही पानी गिरता है और जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर भी ज़्यादा होता है. इवन इन द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ द टेम्परेचर इज जनरली हायर दैन द 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस. करेक्ट है भाई. ओके, नेक्स्ट, डेज एंड नाइट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल इन द लेंथ थ्रू आउट द ईयर. करेक्ट है. देन फाउंड इन द साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में, सेंट्रल अमेरिका में. करेक्ट है. एंड सेंट्रल अफ्रीका में मिलता है. ये भी करेक्ट है. Okay, and less competition between and among the animals for food and shelter. No, there is intense competition among the animals for the food and shelter. So the answer will be 1, 2 and 3, and this is the answer, B. Next one, cyclone warning is issued, it is before the 24 hours in advance. The next one, which of the following statement is not correct about the loamy soil? लोमी सॉइल के बारे में कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है? ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट लोमी सॉइल? लोमी सॉइल इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड एंड क्ले. Oh no, it's a sand, clay and silt. Okay, important one, sand, clay and silt. Loamy soil is having humus होता है. करेक्ट है भाई. The next one, loamy soil is having right water holding capacity for growth of the plants. Correct. Loamy soil is best topsoil for growing plants. So it's a best soft topsoil for growing plants. Then its water holding capacity is enough to grow the plants well. The next one, loamy soil is having humus. Correct है. Then loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay and silt. So यहाँ पे नॉट करेक्ट बोला हुआ है, तो ये नॉट करेक्ट रहेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे सैंड, क्ले और सिल्ट तीन होने चाहिए थे. नेक्स्ट वन, then which is incorrect? Veins are the vessels which carry the carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Okay, then pulmonary veins carries the carbon dioxide rich blood, okay, to the lungs of the heart. This is wrong, because every time the pulmonary veins carry the oxygen rich blood, okay, from lungs to the heart, and this is correct. Veins are the vessels which carry the carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. So this is correct, this is wrong, so that's why this is the answer, because it asks for incorrect one. Then dialysis, blood is filtered periodically through the artificial process is for kidney failure. Next one, ये भी सही है. डायलिसिस किसके लिए होता है? आर्टिफिशियल प्रोसेस होती है किडनी फेल्योर के लिए, ब्लड फिल्टर होता है उसमें. द मेजर एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट इन ह्यूमन इज यूरिया. मेजर एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट यूरिया होता है. करेक्ट है ये भी. सो A, C and D are correct and B is wrong. That's why B is the answer, because it asks for incorrect one. Compact fluorescent light bulbs, CFL के बारे में स्टेटमेंट्स है कुछ यहाँ पे. इट इमिट्स लो लेवल्स ऑफ UV, that is ultraviolet. It contains a small amount of mercury बहुत कम होता है इसमें. ये भी करेक्ट है. A very long lifespan as compared to the normal incandescent bulb. Okay, so this is also correct. So 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. D is the answer. Equality before law, what is that means? Every person from the president of the country to the domestic worker has to obey the same laws. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place, birth, or whether they are female or male. Correct. Every person has access to the public places. Hi bhai. Untouchability has been abolished. Correct. So all these is in the equality before law. Okay, so all of the above are correct. Book title, Amar Jeevan, is first known autobiography written by Indian woman, which is written by Rasundari Devi. Okay, B is the answer. Amar Jiban, Rasundari Devi, Jivan mein ras, ras, that is Rasundari Devi. The next one, which is incorrect? Earth crust forms 0.5% of the volume of the earth, 16% consists of the mantle, and 83% consists by core. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. The next one, intrusive igneous rocks cools down slowly and they form large grains. Large grains form करते हैं cool down slowly होके. Intrusive rocks के बारे में बोल रहा है. Correct है. Deccan Plateau is made of granite rocks. ग्रेनाइट रॉक से नहीं बना हुआ है, वो बसाल्ट रॉक से बना हुआ है, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. सीव. बाकी के स्टेटमेंट भी याद रखने हैं अपने को. द ओशियनिक क्रस्ट मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ द सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम एंड देयरफॉर कॉल्ड एज अ साइमा. ओके, ओशियनिक क्रस्ट, साइमा, इंपॉर्टेंट वन. देन विच इज इनकरेक्ट? Beach is not an erosional feature of the sea waves. Beach is, yes, correct, this one. It's not erosional feature of the sea wave. Then next one, B. Floodplain is not depositional feature of glacier. Floodplain is not a depositional feature of glacier. This one correct. Oxbow lakes are found in desert. Desert में oxbow lakes कैसे found हो सकते हैं? It is in river valleys. Okay, this one. Now meanders are found in the river valleys. So meanders are found in river valleys. ये भी correct है. So C is incorrect. That's why answer is C. So it should be river valleys. The next one, third most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Third, okay, argon is the third one. Arrange the BRICS countries according to their geographical size. Geographical size, okay. Russia is most having the most geographical size. The next one it's China, then it's Brazil भी बहुत बड़ा है, then it's India, and then it's South Africa. So A is the answer. Consider the following statements about peaks: कांचनजुंगा, नंगा पर्वत, नंदा देवी एंड नामचा बरुआ. ये मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है अच्छे से. तो नेक्स्ट वन कि द पीक्स आर अरेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर हाइट्स, हाईएस्ट टू द लोएस्ट. सो करेक्ट है, वन इज करेक्ट. हाईएस्ट कांचनजुंगा सबसे बड़ा है, उसके बाद नंगा पर्वत, नंदा देवी, देन नामचा बरुआ. विच वन इज नॉट करेक्ट? द फोल्ड्स ऑफ ग्रेट हिमालयाज आर असिमेट्रिक इन नेचर. करेक्ट है. द कोर ऑफ ग्रेट हिमालयाज इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ ग्रेनाइट. द कोर ऑफ द ग्रेट हिमालय इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ ग्रेनाइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट one of the most rugged mountains system is Pir Panjal range and forms the part of the Himachal Himalayas. Okay, Pir Panjal range Himachal Himalayas का part form करती है and it's a most rugged mountain system. North में most rugged mountain system ही होती है, ये important point है. Then the core of the Himalayas is composed of granite, ये भी correct है. And next one, the Great Himalayas are asymmetric in nature. And here last one, Shivalik regions is well known for its hill station in Himalayas. No, Middle Himalayas are well known for their hill station in the Himalayas. So D is the wrong one. Middle Himalaya अगर होता तो correct होता. So D is the answer. Consider the following statements about the drainage patterns and find out. Okay, which one is correct? So drainage patterns depends on the slope of the land, underlying rock structure as well as the climatic conditions of that area. Climatic condition, rock का structure कैसा है, slope कैसा है land का, तीन चीज़ों पे depend हो सकता है. जैसे कि a trellis drainage pattern developed where hard and soft rocks exist parallel to each other. Hard and soft rocks, okay. So hard and soft rocks parallel to each other. Trellis drainage, correct. The rectangular drainage pattern develops on a weakly jointed rocky terrain. weakly मतलब हफ्ते का नहीं है यहाँ पे, it's weak, okay. So it should be strongly. So 3 is the wrong one. Then combination of the several patterns may be found in the same drainage basin. एक drainage basin में combination हो सकता है बहुत सारे drainage system का. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct and 3 is wrong, that's why 3 is removed from our answer. Next one, match the following states and poverty reduction method. पंजाब एंड हरियाणा एग्रीकल्चर मेथड यूज़ की गई है वहाँ पे, सो एग्रीकल्चर ग्रोथ रेट, दिस वन इज लाइक दिस. द नेक्स्ट वन केरला, केरला में HRD दैट इज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, दैट इज केरला. देन वेस्ट बंगाल, वेस्ट बंगाल में लैंड रिफॉर्म मेजर्स, मेरा एक वेस्ट बंगाल का फ्रेंड है, उसके पास बहुत सारी लैंड है, ऐसा कंसिडर करता हूँ. द नेक्स्ट वन आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु, देयर इज अ पब्लिक distribution of food grains, this one, so answer is C here. The next one, consider the following statements about the population density growth in India. Which one of the following correct? Assam and the most of the peninsula states have a moderate population densities. Okay. The northern plains and Kerala in the south have a high to very high population density. Correct. Since 1981, the rate of population growth started declining gradually in India. Can be correct. Then Meghalaya is having the highest decadal growth in 2001-11 census. So all are correct here. All of the above. 1890, rate of the population started declining gradually in India. Meghalaya is having the highest decadal growth in 2011 census. डिक्लाइनिंग हो रही है 1981 से, ऐसा बोल रहा है. सो नो कन्फ्यूजन शुड बी देयर, आंसर इज डी. आई विल चेक इट अगेन, ओके, एंड इफ देयर इज एनी पॉइंट आई विल डेफिनेटली कंसर्न यू. स्टेटमेंट 1, महात्मा गांधी emphasized games such as cricket, hockey, football and tennis for all the people of India. So it's wrong one. And Mahatma Gandhi believed that the sport was essential for creating a balance between the body and mind. So this is correct. So our answer should be only 2 is correct. This one, D. Consider the following statements. The riverine plains and the coastal regions in India are well irrigated. Correct one. The plateaus regions such as the Deccan Plateau have a low level of irrigation. Deccan Plateau में low level of irrigation है, correct है. And of the cultivated area in the country, less percent is irrigated even today. And large areas are dependent on the rainfall. These all are correct. Next one, statement 1, Punjab farmers are now forced to use more and more chemical fertilizers and other inputs to maintain the production level. And second, the continuous use of the chemical fertilizer had led to degradation of the soil health. So which one following is correct? So statement 1 and 2 are correct, and statement 2 is correct explanation for the A. So A is the answer here, 34A. The next one, which are correct? Seasonal unemployment is in general a feature of rural unemployment. Seasonal और disgust employment जो है, unemployment जो है वो rural में ही होता है. So both are correct. Then in the secondary disgust unemployment, ये urban unemployment नहीं है. So this is wrong. Then next, in the secondary sector, small scale manufacturing जो है वो most labor absorbing है इंडिया में. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. This one. Next one, poverty is still a serious problem in Orissa, Bihar, Assam, Uttar Pradesh. OABUB correct है. Along with the rural poverty, the urban poverty is also high in the Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Rural plus urban, OMPBUP. It's a mnemonics, okay? Mnemonics, it's not a mnemonics, just to remember something like that, okay? Poverty declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian countries as a result of the rapid economic growth and massive investment in the human resource development. Okay, so these all 3 are correct and this is only incorrect. In the countries of South Asia, there is a rapid decline in the poverty. South Asia में rapid decline हो रही है. No rapid decline is there. So 4 is incorrect one. Other are correct. So करेक्ट आपको याद रखने हैं पूरे. नेक्स्ट वन, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, Bose-Einstein condensate. Satyendra Bose and Albert Einstein had predicted it in 1920s. Correct one. The next one, atoms in the state super unexcited and super cold. This is correct. Then atoms in the state super hot and super excited. Wrong one. The atoms in the Bose-Einstein condensate are largely similar to the plasma. No, they are opposite to the plasma. So the atoms in the Bose-Einstein condensate are opposite to the plasma. So 1 and 2 is correct. बाकी wrong है, ये दोनों wrong है. Next one, the rate of evaporation depends on. Yes, correct. It's the surface area exposed to the atmosphere, the temperature and the humidity, wind speed. That is correct. तीनों correct है. So it's all of the above. Which is incorrect? Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect मतलब क्या होता है? Can be absorbed when sunlight passes through the canopy of the dense forest by scattering a beam of light. Canopy को पास करता है dense forest की by scattering the beam of the light. We call it as a Tyndall effect. Correct है ये. Then face cream, it should be emulsion. So if there is emulsion, then it is correct. A gel type of colloid, this is wrong. So B is the wrong one, incorrect one. Next one, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, example of the solid which is sublime. Chromatography is a technique used for separation of those solutes and that dissolve in the same solvent drug from the blood. The principle of centrifugation used in. सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन किस किस में यूज़ होता है? सो ये होता है ब्लड और यूरिन टेस्ट में यूज़ होता है, डायग्नोस्टिक लैबोरेटरीज में. नेक्स्ट वन, डेयरीज में जैसे कि बटर से क्रीम निकालते हैं उसमें यूज़ होता है. वॉशिंग मशीन्स टू स्क्वीज आउट वाटर फ्रॉम द क्लोथ्स. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. तो 2 and 3, 2, 3, 4 आर करेक्ट आंसर.